So, using Fortnite for views. It's what we're talking about, but also a little bit what I'm doing, to be honest. So, I'm not the first person to make a video talking about the effect that Fortnite has had on YouTube, but I do want to share my personal experience as a small YouTuber who kind of stumbled across the gold mine that is Fortnite on one particular video that I made. So whether you think that Fortnite's influence on YouTube has been good or bad, there's no denying that it's literally made people's careers. People like Ninja and Ali A have made millions of dollars and an entire living off of playing this game. But what about the small guys? What about us little YouTube channels? Can you take advantage of Fortnite and use it to gain traffic to your channel? Yeah. So here's pretty much how it goes. Hello, YouTube? Hello! Could I have some more views on my videos, please? Oh yeah, sure, just put Fortnite in the title, you're good to go. Oh, okay, that's pretty easy, I can do that. I mean, it's really almost as easy as that. So here's my example. About 2 months ago, my channel had 8,000 subscribers. So yeah, we've grown a lot in the past 2 months. So 2 months ago, I made a series where I basically just tested out some gaming on some older and lower end hardware. There were 4 videos in the series and I tested 4 different devices. So the first video was called Can You Game on a $200 Windows Tablet? This video got about 2,200 views. The second video was Can You Game on a Retina MacBook? This got 2,400 views. And the third video was Can You Game on a 9-year-old MacBook Pro? And that one got 3,500 views. So obviously these view counts aren't really anything spectacular. That's about what you would expect for a video being made by a small 8,000 subscriber YouTube channel. So then I uploaded the fourth video, which was gaming on a 2013 MacBook Pro, and I called it Can You Game on a 5-year-old MacBook Pro? And in the first 2 to 3 days, it got about 2,500 views, which makes sense. However, it did get more interesting than that, because for each of these videos, I had picked out games that I thought were appropriate for the hardware I was running them on. So for the 2013 MacBook Pro, which was a 15-inch with dedicated graphics, I figured it would make sense to test out Fortnite, because it's a very popular game, and I figured it would run decently well on that computer, which it did. Now, I didn't put this in the title initially, but I had in the description, I'm testing out Fortnite, CSGO, Civ 5, and Tomb Raider 2015. Those were the 4 games I tested, I think. So those were what I put in the description. I put all of those games in the tags, but I left the title as Can You Game on a 5-year-old MacBook Pro? So in the middle of the third day, the views had dropped down considerably to about 10 to 15 views an hour. So at this point, I'm thinking, oh, well, the video has run its course. So then I figured, well, at this point, no one's really watching the video, so I'm just gonna change the title and put Fortnite in it. So I changed it from Can You Game on a 5-year-old MacBook Pro to Can You Play Fortnite on a 5-year-old MacBook Pro? It's a small change, but here is a screenshot of the real-time 60-minute views 20 minutes after I changed the title. I mean, that's crazy. All it took was one keyword in the title, and the video took off. So for perspective, this video now has over 76,000 views. Now, obviously that's not crazy high, it's not a viral video, but for a channel with 8,000 subscribers, getting a video that goes to 76,000 views, and still 2 months later is getting about 1,000 views a day, I should add, that's pretty solid. Basically, I think the TLDR version of this story would be, if Fortnite happens to fit into your content, I don't think you should feel bad about using it to get views. Because if it's an accurate depiction of what you're doing in your video, can you play Fortnite on a 5-year-old MacBook Pro? Was a question that I answered in the video. It's not forced, it wasn't, you know, a video that was made to deceive people. So the moral of the story is, you should not be afraid to use Fortnite for views. Even as a small channel, it works. So that'll do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, make sure to follow me on Twitter at LukeMiani. Don't forget to join my subreddit. The link is in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, and also, you know, like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff.